Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this session is a brief tutorial introducing my viewers on how to use some basic architectural softwares to make simple designs and to further up to make beautiful buildings or design beautiful structures. But in the first place, I would like to encourage my viewers to like this video, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notifications to receive these live updates on regular basis. Okay, without wasting much time, I'll be introducing my viewers to my first software that I'm going to teach my viewers on how to use, which is the Autodesk Architectural Desktop. So as it appears here on where my mouse pointer is, this is my Autodesk architectural software. So I'm going to launch this software and introduce my viewers or all those watching to how it works, the tools available in this software, and how it can help one to become a very good designer or an architect. Okay, so this is what appears or what one sees when he or she launches this software. I'm not in need of this interface, so I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, so after getting rid of that, you can see that there are some grid lines over here and it's not really needed. So I'll come down here and get rid of this grid line. Okay, so after getting rid of this grid line, I'm going to introduce my viewers to some of the tools available that can help one to use this software effectively. On my far left, you can see our line, our erase, and when I come here to, you can see our polyline and our offsets. Okay, those are just a few, but as time goes on, I'm going to introduce my viewers to all other softwares, or I mean tools that can help one to design simple objects. But our main focus on this session is going to be how to use these tools to draw simple objects like a square or a circle, and turn the square into a basic single room or a basic bedroom, or let's say a single bedroom. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me pick my line. So in the first place, before you can draw a line, you have to pick the command. And how do you pick the command? It's just simply by selecting your command, which appears here. Okay, so I'm going to select my line. Okay, so I can stand at any point after picking the line and click on that point. So after clicking that point, you can see that you have a line shape over here. So you can place this line or end it anywhere you want, but it seems my auto is on or is off, so I have to turn it on to make the line very stable. Yes, so as you can see, the line is now very stable. Okay, so I can end it anywhere. Okay, after that, I'll click on my escape on my keyboard. So after ending it, I need to draw another vertical line to pass through that horizontal line. Okay, so I'll also do same. Okay, so after getting this, without drawing another line over here and drawing another one over here to obtain my square, I can just pick the offset command, which is over here. After picking the offset command, I've been asked to, as it appears down there, the instruction states specify offset distance or true, meaning the distance that I want to offset these two lines. So what does offset mean? Offset means projecting these lines to vantage or other points without redrawing them. So let's say my offset distance is 3,600. So I'm going to enter my 3,600. Okay, so it appears down here. Okay, so I'm entering my 3,600. Okay, so after entering that, I'll enter and after entering my offset distance, I'll pick my objects and offset. Okay, so as you can see, I've offsetted that line, and I'll do the same to my horizontal line also. So we can see a square appearing in the middle over here. So someone might ask, how can we get rid of all these lines that surround the square. It's just simply by coming here and picking our trim command. So we are going to trim all those lines. Okay, so after picking our trim command, I'll right click and I'll click on all those lines to trim them. Okay, yes, so click on all those lines to trim all those lines. Yes, so as you can see, we've gotten our square using our tools such as our line, offset, and trim. Okay, so this is just an introduction on how to use these tools to draw a simple object such as a square. On our next session, I'll be introducing you all to how to use this square to design a simple or basic single room. Okay, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video also. Thank you very much.